By monitoring your laptop battery health, you can determine the right time for a replacement. Here's how. First, check the battery usage in Windows. Click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Select Power and Battery and click on Battery Usage. Scroll down and review the list of apps to identify the ones draining the most battery. Check out our tutorial for the steps on how to disable and enable apps that might be affecting your system's performance. Now we'll check the battery health in BIOS. Restart or turn on your computer. At the Dell logo screen, repeatedly tap the F2 key to access BIOS. The following steps will differ depending on your system. For systems manufactured after 2021, click on Overview. In the Power section, check the battery level and health status. For systems manufactured before 2021, expand General and click on Battery Information. If there is a problem with your battery, this is where it will be shown. When finished checking, click on Exit to restart the system. To run a battery test, click on the Windows Start button to search for and open SupportAssist. Go to the Support tab and click on Get Started under Test My Hardware. Expand the section, I want to troubleshoot my PC, and choose I want to check a specific piece of hardware. Under System Devices, select Battery to run a test. If an error is presented during the test, contact us via social media or one of the options on our support website. Click Done when the test is finished. If you have questions about the information in this video, please contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Dell and Alienware support content.